This is the SuperBox S5 Max Android TV box, which is a great device if you are looking to stream high-quality contents such as movies and TV shows. In this video, we will be looking at its functions, hardware and software, including options for live TV and video on demand. I will show you how to set up and use this Android TV box as a media entertainment device. This video is made into these sections so that you can easily find and watch the information from this video. Continue watching to learn about the SuperBox S5 Max Android TV box. If you're new to this channel and interested in my review, click the subscribe button to follow my future contents. This is the SuperBox S5 Max product box with the brand, the model and the image of the product printed here. This box has voice control and comes with Android 12 operating system. Some of the main features are printed at the side. Let's open the box to see its contents. These are everything that came in the box. The SuperBox S5 Max Android TV box, the remote control, the user guide, a power adapter and a HDMI cable. The SuperBox S5 Max has a full metal body construction and a beautiful blue finishing. I love this fresh shiny color with polished chrome borders. At the top, the brand name is printed and in front is the model S5 Max, and this is the LED display panel. On the side, this is a micro SD card slot, USB 3.0 port, USB 2.0 port and a restore pinhole in case you need to reset this device. At the back, these two antennas can be adjusted to get the best possible Wi-Fi signal. Most of the ports are available at the back. This is the DC in power port, IR, AV port, HDMI out port, LAN Ethernet port and SPDIF digital audio. On the other side are ventilation holes. At the bottom, there are 4 anti-skid rubberized feet that provide good grip on flat surfaces and more ventilation holes. In the middle is the product model name, MAC address and serial number. This remote control has all the standard buttons. There's dedicated TV control buttons, a mouse cursor button and voice control button. The remote keys feel velvety and smooth to touch. The back of the remote has pairing and programming instructions etched on the surface. This remote requires 2 AAA batteries. Included is a simple user guide which includes product specification, connection settings and troubleshooting information. I will explain a lot more in this video, so please continue watching. Now let's get this device started. Connect the HDMI from the Android box to a display such as TV or monitor. Connect the provided power adapter and turn on power. The Android splash screen displays SuperBox logo and animation which took 28 seconds to come to the disclaimer notice screen. This Android box does not have the entertainment apps pre-installed. It is up to the users to get needed apps from app stores. To proceed, click Agree. Here, you can choose to connect via Ethernet or Wi-Fi. I'm connecting to a Wi-Fi network. Use the remote control up or down arrow keys to adjust and fit the screen display. Then, click Finish and the SuperBox home screen loads. SuperBox has an easy-to-use and practical interface. There are large tile-like icons for live TV, VOD, playback, and others. These 6 tiles below allow you to customize your favorite app shortcuts. The icons below are to access Android settings, File Manager, One-Click System Optimizer, Internet Speed Test, Uninstall App, Remote Control Pairing for voice control, set app shortcuts for number keys on the remote and SuperBox customer service contact details. If you click on Live TV, there is nothing there. And under VOD, it is the same. These apps are not pre-installed on this box and there are a few easy steps to get them up and running in this box. Now let's look at SuperBox S5 Max hardware specifications. This is an Xdroid board surprisingly shown as manufactured by Google. It comes with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage, however it is reporting a lower amount here. Bluetooth 4 is supported in this device. The CPU system on chip is a hybrid Allwinner H313, H616. It has a 4-core ARM Cortex-A53 processor running between 480 to 1512 MHz. For graphics, the GPU is a single-core ARM Mali G31. It supports the OpenGL 3.2 standard. The installed Android is version 12 with API level 31. This device is rooted, and that allows a user perform actions such as changing the operating system, replace or alter settings and system applications, install custom themes, and download specialized apps. The Integrated Graphics Processing Unit supports Vulkan API, which is a low-level, low-overhead, cross-platform API and open standard for 3D graphics and computing. Google Play Store is available, and you can get a lot of Android apps. As you can see, there's a wide variety of app selection that you can install and use. There is a large number of entertainment apps that you can install and use, which includes paid subscription services and free streaming apps. The Australian channel apps are free to use, but they work only in Australia. If you are into music, there is also a good selection of apps that you can enjoy with this Android TV box. I can't show you how to install the streaming apps due to the platform guidelines, but I will explore the external apps just to check out what they provide. Please comply with the law and regulations of your country when it comes to content access or use. I will skip showing the app installations and go straight to the apps to test. These are the 3 apps that I'm going to check: the Live TV, VOD, and Playback apps. I have added them to the shortcut icons for easy access. The Live TV app lists 1,669 channels, and many channels that I randomly checked loaded quickly even when I am connected to a Wi-Fi. I did not experience any lag while the stream was playing. While watching a TV channel, pressing the remote left button lists all TV channels and channel search options. This makes it easier to find a channel than scrolling a long list. If you press the OK button on the remote, you get channel tabs for all, favorite, network TV, regional locals, sports networks, 24/7, PPV events, NBA, MLB, NFL, and many more. The available channels cover entertainment, movies, news, documentaries, children, sports, and many more. What I like here is the Favorite tab where my bookmarked channels appear, saving me time of scrolling the entire list of channels. The Video on Demand app has tabs called Recommended, Newest, Movies, TV Series, and Settings. On the main screen, there are shortcuts for watching history, favorite bookmarked movies or TV shows, and search function. On the Movies tab, clicking on Movies icon gives options to search, filter, or navigate movies through 26 categories. All Genres here shows page 1 of 1143, which shows 12 movies per page. Navigating through the categories loads the movie list within it, and that makes it easier to find a movie to watch. On the TV Series tab, clicking on the TV Series icon gives options to search, filter, or navigate movies through 28 categories. All Genres here shows page 1 of 253, which shows 12 TV series per page. Navigating through the categories loads the TV series list within it, and that makes it easier to find a TV show to watch. Playback app has a list of channels where you can find past 7 days of shows. If you missed any live TV shows, this is where you can come back to catch up on programs. Although there are more than 1,000 live TV channels, the playback feature is currently available for 85 channels. DRM, or Digital Rights Management, is a way of protecting contents from piracy. To stream and play HD quality videos from services like Netflix, Disney Plus, or Prime Video, the device needs to have DRM security level L1. This Android TV box is only certified for L3, so you can't stream HD or 4K quality videos from those protected services. If you don't have a Netflix, Disney Plus, or Paramount Plus account, you can get them at a discounted rate at this website. Check out the link in the comment or description to enjoy the discounted price. Now let's test playing 4K video files and see the playback performance of this Android TV media box. This is a 4K trailer of a movie and the video playback seems to be good. Fast forwarding works well too. The Superbox S5 Max plays 4K quality local video files without any problem. If you like to watch 4K quality movies, this Android Media Box seems to handle local files really well. Let's look at an internet browser app. Google Chrome is installed by default and the shortcut can be found on the home interface. I use Chrome on a daily basis, so this is one that I'm very comfortable using on this Android TV box. You can also install and use other internet web browsers shown here as they are available in the Google Play Store. However, they are not commonly known browsers. Let's test playing a 3D game in this Android box. The game is called Riptide GP2. This is just a demonstration of game performance and graphics in the Superbox S5 Max Android TV box. The graphics are not the best, but I did not experience lag, so this 3D game is quite playable. Although you can play games in this box, it is not suitable for heavy 3D gaming performance. To summarize, Superbox S5 Max is an amazing Android media box for live TV and video on-demand playback. When apps are installed, it has thousands of live TV channels, movies and TV series updated frequently for endless entertainment. The user interface is very easy to use and has a responsive interface and navigation. Applications are generally loaded quickly and provide a good experience. 4K local video files play without any problem. 3D games play well without any issue. But I also have some concerns about this TV box. I tried installing YouTube from Google Play, but it failed multiple times. It does not have the DRM security level support to play Netflix in HD or 4K. Other common internet browsers such as Mozilla Firefox are not available in Google Play. I will continue to test this box and may report any updates on its reliability and updates in my future videos, so stay in touch. I hope this Superbox S5 Max video has been useful for you. On TechTube TV, I make easy-to-understand videos on technology-related topics. If you like my content, please consider clicking the subscribe button to follow my future video uploads. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you soon.